Hola amigos, bienvenidos. By completing this lesson, you will be able to use the verb trabajar with personal information. We'll see the verb trabajar and conjugate the verb trabajar, which means to work. And we'll see some questions like ¿Dónde trabajas tú? And ¿Dónde trabaja usted? Topic 1. The verb trabajar. In this, we'll conjugate the verb trabajar and use it with the preposition en. So let's review the verb trabajar, which means to work. Yo trabajo. Tú trabajas. Él trabaja. Ella trabaja. Usted trabaja. Nosotros trabajamos. Nosotras trabajamos. Ellos trabajan. Ellas trabajan. So remember that the verb trabajar means to work. Now let's see some examples. ¿Dónde trabajas tú? Which means, ¿dónde means where, trabaja means to work, and tú means you. So, ¿dónde trabajas tú means, where do you work? And one possible answer for this question is, yo trabajo en una universidad. Which means, I work in a university. Where yo is the pronoun, trabajo is the verb trabajar, which is conjugated differently depending on the pronoun. En is the preposition, and after preposition you have to use un or una depending upon the noun, and after un and una you'll use a noun. We use indefinite article un if the noun is masculine and singular, whereas we use indefinite article una if the noun is feminine and singular. So the point is how you will identify whether the noun is feminine or masculine. So here is a trick. If the noun ends with a, then it is a feminine noun. But if a noun ends with o, then it is a masculine noun in most of the cases, not in all cases. Remember that. Like in this example, universidad, here it doesn't end with a or o. So with the practice, you'll understand which is a feminine noun or a masculine noun. And in the next example, you'll see if the noun ends with a, we use una, whereas if the noun ends with o, then you'll use un. So remember that it is not applicable to all the cases, but in most of the cases, if the noun ends with o, then we use un, and if the noun ends with a, we use una. Let's see the next example. ¿Dónde trabaja usted? Which means, where do you work? And it is a formal way of asking. And one possible answer for this question is, yo trabajo en una escuela. Which means, I work in a school. Where yo is the pronoun, trabajo is the verb trabajar, en is the preposition, and after en you have to use un or una and noun. Let's see the next example. ¿Dónde trabaja él? Which means, where does he work? And one possible answer for this question is, él trabaja en un banco. Which means, he works in a bank. Where él is the pronoun, trabaja is the verb trabajar, en is the preposition, And after preposition, you have to use un or una and noun. Let's see the next example. Donde trabaja ella? Which means, where does she work? And one possible answer for this question is, ella trabaja en un hospital. Which means, she works in a hospital. Where ella is the pronoun, trabaja is the verb trabajar, en is the preposition, and after preposition you have to use un or una and then noun. Let's see the next example. ¿Dónde trabajamos nosotros? Which means, where do we work? And one possible answer for this question is, nosotros trabajamos en una empresa. Which means, we work in a company. Where nosotros is the pronoun, trabajamos is the verb trabajar, en is the preposition, and after preposition you have to use un or una and then noun. Now let's see the last example. ¿Dónde trabajan ellos? Which means, where do they work? And one possible answer is, ellos trabajan en una empresa. Which means, they work in a company. Where ellos is the pronoun, trabajan is the verb trabajar, en is the preposition, and after preposition you have to use un or una and noun. So did you notice in the examples that when we use the noun with the ending o, we used un, whereas when we use the noun ending with a, we use una. Like here, for empresa, we use una because it ends with a. But remember that it happens in most of the cases, but not in all the cases. Moreover, I'll discuss the indefinite article in my upcoming videos. As un and una was mentioned here, that's why I explained it. But don't worry, I'll discuss it. Topic 2. Recognize and answer the questions. ¿Dónde trabaja ella? Which means, where does she work? Can you see the picture and guess? So the answer is, ella trabaja en un hospital, which means she works in a hospital. Let's see the next example. ¿Dónde trabaja él? Which means, where does he work? Can you see the picture and guess? So the answer is, él trabaja en una escuela, which means he works in a school. Now, can you answer this question? ¿Dónde trabajas tú? Where do you work? You must have used yo trabajo en un or una plus noun. I hope you get it. Now answer these questions. This is an exercise for you. Try to solve this and put your answer in comment section. I'll review it and tell you whether it is correct or not. If you have any doubts, put your doubts also in comment section. Now answers of lesson 11. These are the answers of lesson 11. I hope all of you got it correct. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do subscribe my channel. Ciao amigos! Hasta pronto!